Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into SOXL and providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on Thursday, January 4, 2024. To stay updated on our latest analysis, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Want to enhance your trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.47. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The ETF is currently situated within a wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This presents an excellent opportunity for potential buyers. However, if the lower trend floor at $25.03 is breached, it may indicate a slower rate of ascent and could be an early warning of a trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 75.9% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 72.10% to 130.48%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a 51.1% change. The potential return during this period could range from -2.46% to 92.40%. This translates to a price range of $24.95 to $49.21 after 1 year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF reveals a weaker technical forecast, as it has been downgraded to a strong sell candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 4, 2024, the SOXL ETF price experienced a decline of 2.55%, dropping from $26.25 to $25.58. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 6.17%, ranging from a low of $24.80 to a high of $26.33. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decline of 16.81%. Although volume increased by 13 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 74 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $1.90 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $32.78, while the lowest price was $9.53. Currently, the price stands at 21.96% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $7.20. Furthermore, it is 93.24% below the all-time high, which was reached on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, the semiconductor ETF. Currently, there aren't many positive technical signals to report. In fact, both the short-term and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. If there are any upward corrections, we can expect resistance at the price levels of $29.71 and $26.01. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it could potentially issue buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -20.93%. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF in light of these developments. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a sell signal. Pivots, there was a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, we saw a buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 39 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a sell signal was indicated 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, we received a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. Let's start with support levels. The ETF currently has support just below today's level at $22.14 and $20.60. When an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $22.14 is broken, the next support level will be at $20.60 and $19.47. It's important to note that SOXL is considered very high risk due to its volatility. This ETF can experience significant price movements during the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for SOXL. Looking at recent data, the ETF had a $1.53 difference between its high and low prices, which is equivalent to a 6.17% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for SOXL has been 5.47%. Let's take a look at some potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $26.11. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $22.14. If this support level holds, it could present a potential entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? While the positive trend may suggest otherwise, our analysis indicates several negative signals for the SOXL ETF. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a strong sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, January 5th, we predict that SOXL will open with a decrease of $0.0100 and begin trading at $25.57. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. In today's video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're interested in hearing your thoughts, so remember to comment below and share your opinion. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target for the ETF is. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.